everyone, welcome back to Succulents by Vonny. If you are new to me, welcome and please subscribe to my channel. So today we are going to learn how to transfer Burro Tail, or the other one is Donkey Tail. They're almost the same but a little bit different. We're gonna transfer from smaller pot or planter like this to a bigger one. Why we need to do that? Because this plant really will grow bigger or larger and very long. So of course we need bigger planters so this plant can grow healthy and beautiful. Let's get started.
So my friends, in my introduction earlier, I filmed myself with the small burro tail, yet I decided to transfer this long donkey tail instead, only because I love challenges. I have them for about 3 years now, and they just grow more and more and longer. If you can see the pot they're sitting on right here, it is just too small now. I want to keep my donkey tail as long as I live, so I better give them a bigger home. And today is the time, let's do it. So here they are. They're inside my kitchen now, sitting on top of a silver bowl, if you guys can see it. Okay, now we need planter, of course, the bigger one. I have this black plastic planter or pot, and I also have the soil in there, and for this I need to use cactus soil. Also, my friends, remember this: planting succulents like this, we need to use planter that has very good hole drainage. Just like what I have here, I have pretty good one, so this is really the one that we need. Now I have this metal stick. I got it from the hanger, as you can see, and really I got this idea from another YouTuber, guys. So I am going to bend the other end with this tool that I have here, and also I will do the same thing with the other one, and let's see if this theory will be successful. Next, I'm removing the pot holders. Take them out like this. Then these two metal sticks, I'm going to put them down the soil against the planter wall, just like this. Now I'm squeezing the planter to loosen up the soil from the planter itself. Then I'm grabbing the sticks from the top like this and try to pull them out. After a few attempts, my friends, I know for sure this theory does not work for me. So now I'm moving to plan B. I took out the planter with my hand, hold it like this, grab the top of the plants with my fingers, my right fingers, and my left hand I am pulling down the planter very, very slowly, very carefully, guys, because these plants, the leaves are fragile. I know I'm losing leaves already, but not so much if I'm doing it very slowly and carefully. Now I'm getting the planter or the pot with the soil, and very slowly, guys, slowly and carefully, I'm putting down this plants to the pot very carefully. I'm so sorry it doesn't show in detail, only because I am filming this video myself. So anyways, so my right hand I'm holding this plant trying to put down, and with my left hand I'm taping while I am trying to put the strings away from the planter, so when the planter or the soil, the old soil, set on the pot, the other strings, the other plants will not break or ruin. I have to be honest, my friends, I lost a lot of leaves, even few branches, but not as many. So I call my attempt or my experiment on transferring as a successful one. What I can be sure of, though, that the broken branches will somehow grow new branches, not one, but two or more. So you do not need to worry, really, of losing few of your branches when transferring, or losing leaves, because more leaves, more branches will grow. I'm putting back the old plant holder so that I can hang this back to its original place. Guys, stay tuned because there is more that you need to know about repotting. So here they are. They are still looking good, looking full kinda, even though I am losing many leaves and some branches. Now, what to do next? What we can see here is that I have an empty spot between the old soil and the planter. So I'm using a tablespoon to fill up the empty space right there. We need to do that because we do not want to leave it empty. It is not good for the growing of this plant. So here it is. Slowly, guys, put the soil in until this planter is full, no more space in between. And now I am going to hang it back in its original place right here. And here they are, still looking gorgeous, pretty, beautiful, and healthy looking, as you can see. And I know for sure they're going to survive for another 10, 20 or more years to come.
Okay everyone, thank you very much for watching. I hope this video will help you in case you have problem to transfer your burro tail or donkey tail from the smaller planter to a bigger one. Again, thank you very much. See you again in my next video. Bye now.